Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this video I'm gonna talking about reduce method in the typed array. So like the array reduce method, it's the same, just same, just the type of the array is different, so there's no difference at all. And those who don't know what that is, it's gonna go each and every elements of the array and pass a function on it. So now what I'm gonna do is create a const event 8 and use the new operator event 8 array and pass 0, 1, 2, 3, and you want to sum each and every one of them. So what we need to do is create a function, name the function something like sum if you want. So and just pass pv comma cv, previous value and the current value, and return pv plus cv. And when we're done with that, I'm gonna do that. Now log it on a console, event 8 dot use the reduce method and pass the function. Yeah, this is weird, but yeah, this is how it works. Now there's an error. What the heck that means? Oh yeah, you will be in the uppercase, not the smaller case. So when we're done with that, it will be 6. If it's be a big like 5, it will be 11. So this is what it how it works. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.